Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you accidentally delete an app and need to find it again? Don't worry, iPhone makes it easy to find and reinstall recently deleted apps. Here is a quick and easy guide on how to see recently deleted apps on your iPhone. The first step is to open the App Store. Begin by opening the App Store on your iPhone, then go to your account. Tap on the picture icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, you tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all the apps you've ever downloaded using your Apple ID. Next, you select Not on this iPhone. Tap on Not on this iPhone to see apps that you've previously downloaded but are not currently installed on your iPhone. Next, you find your deleted apps. Browse through the list to find the app you recently deleted. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the app. The next step is to reinstall the app. Once you find the app, tap the cloud icon with an arrow to reinstall it. And that's it guys. By following these steps, you can easily find and reinstall apps that you've recently deleted. This way, you can quickly get back to using your favorite app without any hassle. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.